mga kananay! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So, na-miss ko pong gawin to. Kaya naman for today's video, live kwentuhan muna tayo. So, ayan. So, dahil maraming nagtatanong kung bakit wala na akong ina-upload ng mga videos about menstrual cycles and kung bakit hindi na rin ako nag-reply sa comment section. So, ayan. I made this video to share why I've been away for ilang months ba. Anyway, this video is for you. So, para at least alam niyo yung dahilan kung bakit walang paramdam si Teacher Nanay. So, please watch this video. So, ayan. Ito po yung video na ina-explain ko para doon sa mga gusto nang buntis. Sinare ko sa inyo yung pregnancy ko. So, that was the first time na sinare ko yung pregnancy ko. And that was October 2022. Unexpectedly, a month after that, nalaman namin na wala na palang heartbeat si baby. So, yung baby ko is only 26 weeks, 26.7 weeks. So, parang it's 6 months. So, turning 7 months pa lang siya. Hindi rin siya kinukonsider as miscarriage kasi kapag miscarriage is, yung baby is early weeks ng pregnancy. Pero kapag stillborn pregnancy, according to research, yung baby is 20 weeks above nawalaan ng heartbeat or namatay inside sa tiyan ng kanyang mommy. And dahil nga wala na siyang heartbeat, kailangan ko i-normal yung pagli-labor ko para mailabas ko si baby. Mahirap. It is a very tough and painful labor. To make the story short, nag-labor ako sa kanya, pero it took me 2 to 3 days at hindi na rin siya kaya ng inducer. Hindi na, wala nang hilab, wala akong naramdamang pain na dapat diba kapag i-induce, magsisimulang sumakit yung mag-open yung cervix. So sa akin, wala, as in wala. So nag-decide na kami, nag-decide ang aking OB, may nilagay na pwedeng makapagpalabas kay baby. And after 8 to 9 hours of labor, lumabas nga si baby. Yung experience ko is, ayokong ma-experience ng ibang mga mommies, ng ibang parents. Kasi, kapag mommy, especially mommy, diba, hindi mo ma-explain yung pain kapag nawalan ka ng anak. So, yun yung, para sa akin, that was the most heartbreaking experience na mararamdaman ng isang magulang kapag mawalan ka ng anak. So, yun naman talaga. Sobrang sakit at sobrang hirap ng healing and coping nung sitwasyon na yun of losing someone you love. It was a very difficult situation to deal with. Especially kapag masyado ka nang ready, masyado kang, alam na kung ano yung susunod na gagawin mo. Kapag nandiyan na siya. Sobrang hirap nun. And 2 years na ngayon, medyo shaky pa ng konti yung boses. Pero may acceptance na. So 2 years na yung nangyari. Kaya, I'm here, I'm back in vlogging. So sabi ko na sa 2 years na yon, sa araw na to, that I am finally getting back doon sa mga bagay na gusto kong gawin at love kong gawin. And that is creating content for you guys. Kasi yun naman talaga yung advocacy ko, to share informative and empowering content para sa mga kababaihan, more on reproductive health awareness, as well as using the calendar method or natural birth control. Kasi naniniwala ako na a woman who is knowledgeable about her body, kapag meron kang alam tungkol sa paggamit ng natural birth control, hindi ka matatakot. Meron kang peace of mind, hindi ka mag-overthink lagi. Kapag meron kasing peace of mind, naniniwala ko that it will develop healthy well-being of a person. That's my advocacy. Kaya naman in this new year, expect more fresh content, more exciting updates, and plus, a few surprises along the way. So, syempre, that is for you. Thank you for sticking with me kahit hindi niyo ako nakikitang mag-upload ng mga new vlog. Thank you for the support, love, and patience, as well as for giving me space and giving me time to heal doon sa isa sa pinaka-difficult situation na na-experience ko in my pregnancy journey. Thank you mga kananay. Isa kayo sa mga reason kung bakit nandito pa rin ako. So ito po meron po akong mga nababasa sa comment section na hindi ko naman pwedeng sagutin. Kasi I am not in the position to give diagnosis or solution doon sa tanong nito. Kasi gusto ko pong i-clear, I want to make something very clear na I am not a medical specialist. Yung ginagawa ko po is part of my advocacy. Yung sinishare ko sa blog ko is based on my personal experience. And syempre, hindi mawawala yung research. Inaaral ko ng mabuti bago ko sa inyo ibigay yung information. So, ayan po. Thank you so much mga kananay for your patience, love, and support sa aking YouTube channel. Again, let's continue this journey of learning together. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless po sa lahat. See you in my next vlog.